In a vast and intricate web of life, ecosystems serve as a gentle reminder that we are all interconnected. They unveil the profound truth that every action we take, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, has the power to create a ripple effect that resonates far beyond our immediate surroundings. Imagine a delicate butterfly fluttering its wings in a lush rainforest. As its wings gracefully dance through the air, a minuscule disturbance is created. And yet, this seemingly trivial movement sets in motion a chain of events that can alter the course of nature itself. The air currents shift, the plants sway, and the animals respond to this subtle shift in their environment, just like the butterfly. Our actions have the potential to create a profound impact. Whether it is choosing to recycle, reducing our carbon footprint, or simply lending a helping hand to someone in need, each decision we make sends ripples of change throughout the world. We may not always witness the direct consequences of our actions, but rest assured, they are there, shaping the world around us. Ecosystems teach us the invaluable lesson of interconnectedness. They show us that we are not isolated beings, but rather integral parts of a greater whole. Just as every organism in an ecosystem relies on others for survival, so too do we rely on one another. Our actions, no matter how small, can have a profound effect on the well-being of others. As well as the delicate balance of our planet, let us embrace this interconnectedness and recognize the immense power we hold within our hands. By cultivating a deep understanding of our impact on the world, we can make conscious choices that promote harmony and sustainability. We can choose to be mindful of our consumption, to protect and preserve the natural wonders that surround us, and to foster a sense of unity among all living beings.